Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Digital Market Preneur. And in this video we're going to talk about how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing. Okay, the very next way is you want people to not be confused. So if you're promoting a product, when you're creating a landing page, okay, you have your offer, and a lot of the good products will give you assets to use, like testimonials, pictures, and like I said, they will give you a lead magnet that you guys can use. If not, you create your own, or you create a free training, or you can do both, right? Or you guys come to your offer and take those assets, and in the landing page you are gonna write down something that is from their offer on the landing page that they already have, and you gotta put it on this landing page. So you gotta put the text, right? You gotta take pictures or assets that they give you, and you gotta put it right here. This is where a lot of top affiliates make a lot of money on this. And I know that when you're a beginner, the issue with that is that you don't have any assets for yourself, right? A lot of them already have stuff, and then you just give it away for free. So you come here, and in your landing page you go, what you gotta get from this offer, right? You're gonna get this and this and this, and then you have bonuses, right? And you're gonna put them on this page, and you're gonna tell them, but from me you're gonna get this, this, and this. Now, one way that you guys can help people is say, but even if you don't buy now, you get the free guide or free video training, right? And you're adding that in that page. You let them know, okay, it doesn't matter, I'm offering you this product. You come to my landing page, okay, and they can see the information. That's what they're gonna attract them, and then they're gonna see, oh, you know what, I'm not sure that I want to buy right now, and they've usually clicked off your page. But if you entice them to say, you know what, give me your email, I still gotta give you something, even if you don't buy from me, okay? Once they give you their email right here, right, then you start sending your email sequence, right? And that's terrible, but you're still sending them, okay, and this one maybe it's the free guide, but then on this one, okay, you know what, this is the benefit of that product, and this is the benefit and the benefit and the benefit of the product, but you already got them through here. And that's why a landing page for affiliate marketing is so important. If you send them directly to your offer, they're gone, and you're never gonna see them again. And with this, you're able to retarget, and they say the amateurs worry about the sale, the professionals, this is what they do. You might want to recreate a landing page, so we're gonna make one pretty quick. All right, you're gonna put new. Now, this is a training by one of the top affiliates, and you will need build from scratch. I'm gonna do something. Let's see if we can try this one right here. Build preneur. Just a quick example. I'm working on this as we speak, and if you guys purchase through me, then I will give you access to something. So I'm actually working on this as we speak. Now, this is what I'm saying. You guys can take assets from them, and as you can see right here, advanced marketing training for builderpreneur. Now, why he's gonna get mad that you're actually taking the stuff from his landing page? So we gotta go here, learn more, and this is his landing page, okay? let's see, for example, I'm gonna take this, and then we're gonna go back here. I'm gonna go now, just so you know, on get response, if you need to copy and paste, you are going to go copy and then Control V. I'm gonna go here and then gotta delete this and delete these and see if we can replicate this. Alright, so I'm gonna move. And you guys can actually say, well, this is, let's cancel, we gotta go look, and then you guys can you know, you can even take this and you know, copy this. Sometimes, you know, he will give you actual testimonials himself, so you guys can actually use them in your landing pages. If you purchase from me or don't purchase from me, I am gonna give you these bonuses if you do purchase, but if you don't, you still gonna get this, or you can get something like an actual free training or the PDF or something that is not, you know, gonna cost you anything to do. You still giving them a lot of value on your landing page. So, you know, this is pretty very quick. I don't want to take too much time, but you know, you tinker, you play with it. You know, get response is absolutely free for 30 days, you guys. There's a link in the description. You guys can actually go and try it for yourselves. But this is another way you guys can create another landing page. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that this helped you and gave you a little bit of ideas on how you guys can go and create a landing page for affiliate marketing. This obviously, just because you create the first landing page doesn't mean you gotta start making sales right away, but you still gotta tinker with it. You know, always think ahead and say what my customers gonna need, how can I help them even more. It's not just about the sale, you want to help your customer. Do you want to learn affiliate marketing from a 6-figure super affiliate? Click that link in the description and in the pinned comment. I have a special bonuses for you. So if you're interested in learning the right way to start affiliate marketing, well, check this course. You guys will not be disappointed. So with that being said, if you like this video, you know, and you like the information on this channel, hit that button, say subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and share my videos. You know, maybe somebody will need this information or can use this information to start their affiliate marketing journey. And also stay tuned. You know, I got a lot of things like you've seen on that. There's a few of offers that I have, and the offers that I want to put out there, I want it to be no-brainer for you. So I'm working really hard, you know, put it all together. And if you guys want to know when those will drop, subscribe to my channel so you guys know when I can give you that information, so you guys get the most value out of it. I just don't want to throw any offers out there just because. I want to make sure that it's very, very valuable for you. And thanks for all of you that stay all the way to the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next video.